Part 17. We weren't alone anymore. We heard them before we saw them. Not enemy movement. Not the ground shifting engines. Multiple. Fast and low. I looked up and saw the first wave come in over the ridge. Not two gunships this time. A full line. Tight formation. No hesitation. They opened fire before they cleared us, cutting into the field ahead with controlled bursts. Not wide. Not wasteful. They knew where to hit. More followed behind them. Transports this time. Low drops. Ramps opening before they even settled. Fresh units hitting the ground, already moving, already firing, already spreading out into formation. No confusion. No delay. They had seen this before somewhere else. That meant we weren't alone in this fight. Not anymore. The line shifted. Not breaking, but stretching. More bodies, more guns, more angles. It didn't feel like relief. It felt like pressure moving in a different direction. The fast ones reacted first, changing direction mid-run, adjusting to the new targets. The constructs followed slower, but deliberate, their attention splitting across a wider field. That was the problem. More of us meant more targets. More targets meant more pressure. The fight didn't get easier, it got bigger. I moved with Soto as the new units pushed in beside us. No introductions, no time, just alignment. Same spacing, same focus. Drop movement, maintain pressure, keep it unstable. The new soldiers picked it up fast, or they didn't last. That was the reality now. The next construct rose closer than the last ones. Not waiting, not pacing. It came up already moving, already engaged. The distortion above it locked in faster, tighter, like it had learned to shorten the delay. No window this time. Not a clean one. We adjusted without being told. Flares out, movement constant. Vehicles shifting position, kicking up dust, breaking the field into something uneven. Gunships dropped lower than before, risking hits just to keep the air moving. Everything became unstable again. Controlled chaos. That was the only thing that worked now. The construct pushed forward anyway. Stronger, harder to break. It took more fire, more time, more of us. We held it in that unstable state just long enough for the strike to come in. Not perfect, not clean, but enough. The distortion flickered, bent, then snapped out. The construct dropped, but it took longer, and it cost more to make it happen. Men went down doing it, not just from the construct, from the fast ones still getting through, always getting through. No matter how tight we held, something slipped in. Something always found a gap. The field was wider now, louder, more movement than before. But the outcome didn't change. We weren't pushing them back. We were holding more ground at the same cost. I keyed the mic and reported the change. More units on the ground, increased engagement, same result. The response came back steady. This was happening everywhere, every front expanding, every line holding. No breakthroughs, not yet. I looked across the field and saw it clearly for the first time. This wasn't a fight we were going to end in one push, not even close. This was going to stretch, grind, take time we didn't have, and lives we couldn't replace. Soto moved up beside me again, checking the new line forming to our left. Still solid. For now, that was all anything was anymore. For now, I checked my weapon again. Still low, still not enough. That hadn't changed, probably wasn't going to. I raised the rifle and stepped forward with the rest of them. More of us now. More firepower, more movement. Same fight, same cost. We weren't alone anymore. But we weren't winning either.